Guys, we all know that anime has got some of the most strongest moves ever. But just like you guys, I wondered why not to make a list. So today I shall show you the top 10 most powerful moves we have seen in anime. Now before starting, I just wanted to tell you guys that if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe or else I am going to throw a spirit bomb on your home. Number 10. Final Flash. The attack's name is enough to determine what kind of attack it is. It's a type of a final move used by Vegeta during his fight with Cell. And god, it blew away almost half of Cell's torso. Though it is strong, it's still not as strong as some of the legendary Dragon Ball attacks. Number 9. Kamehameha. The famous attack of Son Goku is a ki type attack. So technically the more ki charged into it, the stronger it becomes. So to find an actual ranking is pretty tough. But we can easily say it's one of the strongest Dragon Ball moves. Number 8. Senbon Zakura Kageyoshi. Easily one of the coolest Bankais in Bleach. This attack belongs to Byakuya Kuchiki. The name translates into vibrant displays of 1,000 cherry bloom. The attack involves Byakuya's sword turning into 1,000 other giant swords which can practically cut anything. The cool attack can be used for both offense and defense. Thus it deserves its place in the list. Number 7. Fire Dragon Slayer Magic. Natsu is one of the few persons who can use the Dragon Slayer magic, which allows him to breathe fire, punch with the strength of a dragon, and other cool stuffs. The best part about the magic is that it can grow stronger and recharge itself if Natsu hits fire. So, against fire, he will just keep getting stronger. That's why it's number 7. Number 6. Fourth Gear. Luffy's Devil Fruit grants him muscle inflation and extreme strength. In this gear, Luffy can become a literal killing machine and destroy almost anyone he faces. Number 5. Detroit Smash. The smash has force as large as Detroit itself. When All Might uses this smash, he literally smashed away a villain made of goop, and Deku used it to knock out a villain as powerful as Muscular. Number 4. Giga Drill Break. It's an attack which manifests a giant drill out of thin air for Simon and Kamina. The actual level of this attack is pretty hard to measure because it's mostly theatrical. But still, I am pretty sure that the attack could level mountains if used properly. Number 3. Spirit Bomb. The attack easily deserved to be in the top 3, and the fact that it completely vaporized Kid Buu, who was an ancient alien being of almost the same level as Goku's Super Saiyan 3 in the Buu saga, proves that it could obliterate almost anyone. Though it wasn't able to crush Jiren, but it still is the strongest key attack. Number 2. Full Counter. The full counter technique is without a doubt the strongest defense technique in all of anime. Any magical attack thrown on Meliodas is completely countered. The power of the counter is directly proportional to the power of the magical technique. It can be used for both offense and defense, thus making it the second attack technique on our list. So now before we talk about the number 1 spot, there are some honorable mentions like Sagi's Ultra Instinct, Farmer's Gunshot, Special Beam Cannon, Fire Fist, 100 Rending Fist, Rasengan, Chidori, and other cool techniques like that. Now, the number 1 spot goes to
必殺マジシリーズマジ殴り
Number 1. Serious Punch. Now I know that you guys may say that there are techniques far cooler than the Serious Punch. But the best thing about it is that it literally has the capacity to nullify a Starbuster attack like nothing. And Saitama can use it so many times. Because he didn't even use his real strength, but still completely obliterated a being like Lord Boros. Now that's it for today guys. If you guys have some suggestions on future videos or on this video, then kindly recommend it to me. Because I am a small creator and I will cover almost all the topics that are given to me. Thank you, goodbye.